Bucket. Who's got the bucket? Well, it's a mini blood bucket. That is with a 1923 Ford Bucket T. Bucket T? T-Bucket? Don't know, but check it out. She is a nice shade of blue with lovely black interior. And yes, just like in the TV programs, it does have the stick straight down, literally. Look, it's vertical straight down. Does not go through there. I love to see how it connects underneath. Perhaps one day we might actually see. We're ever growing, ever expanding, finding more and more beauties all over the place. So enjoy this and more on Willis Talk.